And we're here in Bird Hill, St. Michael, just to the rear of Sky Mall and also abutting the ABC Highway. Here's your main entry into the property from the rear. We have 3 bedrooms which share 1 bathroom. So bedroom number 1. External door there into the yard. Bedroom number 2 with shower. Toilet tucked away. There is currently the Congolian on the ground and house of wooden construction. Bedroom number 2. And these are off to the side of what would be the dining leading into the living area. And bedroom number 3. Towards the front there, adjoining the patio. And this is your living space. Let me just turn the camera around here so you can see the layout. And then we have our patio. Opening out to this, yes, all the way down to the fence is the property. Yes, indeed. It is elevated. Look at all the land below. And the breeze up here is unbelievable. So from the living space, we go into the kitchen. And good cupboard space. Obviously, you would have to do your remedial work. And the backyard, quite extensive actually. There you go. So lots of room to play with if you need any storage. Now the house obviously needs refurbishment, but it serves as a good canvas, especially considering that it's very centrally located.